Hello children, how are you? I hope you're fine and well at your home. Let's begin e-learning class with your Aarti teacher. Standard 4th, subject science, and our topic is water scarcity and conservation of water. Dear children, before this session we have learned about importance of water and factor causing shortage of water like pollution, deforestation, etc. Today we are going to discuss need for conserving water. Water is the gift of nature for all living beings. It is precious. If we continue to waste our water resources carelessly, a time can come when there will not be enough water for all of us. The crops can also die due to lack of irrigation. We should therefore make sincere effort to save water now so that it remains available for use in future also. Now we will discuss way of conservation of water. We can save water by avoiding its overuses and wastage. Proper and careful utilization of water, avoiding its wastage, and maintaining the amount of water in its different sources is called water conservation. We can avoid wastage of water in our daily life by adopting the following measures. Turn off the tap after using it. Do not keep the tap running while brushing teeth or washing hands. Use a mug and bucket to take bath instead of shower. Water the plants with a bucket and mug instead of a pipe. Take only that much water in a tumbler that you can drink. Do not throw the leftover water in the sink. Pour it over plants. Do not throw away water used for washing vegetables, rice, or pulses. Use it for watering plants. Get the leaking pipes and tap repaired immediately. So children, if you will follow this way, you will definitely conserve water. We can conserve water on a large scale in a following way. Water sprinkler should be used for irrigation. This reduces the wastage of water. And over irrigation of field should be checked. So children, I hope you understood how you can conserve water for your future and note down given points of water conservation. We will meet in next class with new information about water conservation. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye, have a nice day.